So now we have to wait a little bit until the recorder is booting the device and the services, and there you can see 4 screens, and then we have to log in to the system. At the first time, this is the first time, there is a system initializing, and you can see I switched on 2 another cameras without a local area network connection, and then you can see it is plug and play, and you can go with the right mouse click to get a setup and go to split screen for all your different cams. It is able to sort the screens for different views, as you can see here. For this, I like this view. 6 cams on one device on one flat screen. This is nice, really nice. You can go up to 9 cams, but this camera system only contains 8 cams, and this is the view, the night vision view. Really night. There is darkness, and you can see this is one man, and you can see what this guy looks like in or with a cam inside of a dark room. Wow, nice HD solution. Wow. Here we go. This is a cam outside. In front of the cam there is a net of mosquito net, because this you can see a little bit of mosquito net surface, and there it is. I am rotating the cam, and this is the cam shot into a room, and you can see this guy in the backside. You can see the brilliant colors. You can see everything. I like it, really nice. You can see the furnitures. The one is orange, the other is purple, and left side you can see a black furniture. This guy, it's me. Hi. You can see that's me. So more options available. The split screen, you can see now you can sort it: cam 1, cam 2, cam 3, cam 4, etc., etc. Then there is a video management tool. You can sort different views, and you can use the left mouse click to drag and drop the cams, and you can zoom in. Here you can see it's a night vision zoom in. Nice, really nice device, nice picture, and it is night vision there. Wow. So let's do another zoom in. Not there. Oh, what this? No, man. Zoom out, please. I'm a little bit of joking here. So you can use it by drag and drop to have a look what's there, and there the guy is coming back. You can see every sharp thing. There's the guy. Ooh, hey guy. Nice. Now we can go have a look outside, because you can install this device, these cams on the wall, or you can install it on a table as you like. And then you can see so much brilliant and easy made pictures and movies with this camera system. So now let's go a little bit deeper. Video manager, as you can see, there you can see the remaining devices. You can refresh match codes, delete any devices. You can go to system setup. You can go to other things. Every time you have to use the right mouse click to go in a menu, and to leave it, you can go to cancel, apply, or OK, or left click on the screen. So now some general setups, record setups, network things, channel setups. You can adjust so many different things. PTZ setup is possible. A channel OSD is possible. There you can see excellent, good, bad, and disconnected cams. Then the video detection you can make a setup, and the bitrate you're going to see. Here you can see channel 1, channel 2. There was the cameras in the back side, and so many different things. And all the time the cams are recording in this case and storing this to the inner HDD, to the hard disk drive, and the hard disk drive will get 1 month of video content, and then the video content will be replaced by a newer one. That means you can make so many setups there. And there is another thing, video playback. There you can see the older informations about your devices is getting information inside the device. You can see what is going on some days, on some time, in everything. You can see which cam is connected at this time, the hour, the day, the date, the channels. It's channel 1 until channel 8, manual, playback, time playback, motion playback, alarm. You can search something. You could search so many other things with this. You can set the color of your cams. You can use the default setting, the bright, and I like the bright setting here. The soft setting, you only have to wait 2 seconds. Oh no, soft is not so good, but bright. Bright is a nice setting here. Then go in OK, or you can adjust it by yourself. Oh, it's better cam here. Wow, nice. What next? PTZ control, manual record, volume up, volume down. If you have cam system with sound, Wi-Fi add, adjust channel, and let's go to video playback another time. Here you can see so many different things you can adjust. You can look. You can see what your cameras were detected in the past. Then you can see every cam as a counter there, and the setup wizard will choose your phone client, so you can use a phone to make a remote access to the system. But I did not like it because there are so many hackers outside in the open wide web. And if one of the hackers is coming into your system, which is connected with the internet, this hacker are able to see what your cams are going to see. This is a little bit, it's a little bit tricky. You have to see, or you have to choose that you're going to use this feature or not. But I'm so impressed about this camera solutions, camera HD thing. And this is really nice. So what's next? You can see updating on the right side. This cam is now updating a little bit. And there is a guy who's smiling like me. Oh yeah. So nice device, really nice. And you can choose so many different things with this. Easy to install and easy to adjust and easy to use camera security system. But now we have to, I think I'm going to show you about the night vision. This is awesome. I like the night vision mode. This is so brilliant, really nice. And this is awesome too. So everything is fine, everything is good. So that is nice camera security system. I'm going to use it several times, I think. And I'm only see the exit system, log out, reboot. You can choose different admins here. And now we are logging off. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give a positive feedback, and see you next time again. So soon.